Mwami Frank, nkyali kukwe. Statement ezo ng'ogenda okuzikola. Oyina eyakusindise. Oba kiki oyagala okutukola? Wayogeredde Abanyarwanda bameka? Kubanga it's like owning the entire Banyarwanda, of which you were barely even voted by even one quarter of them. You were barely voted by 1/4 of them in that thing of yours of Bavandimwe. Okay, let me agree. We are Bavandimwe as you want it to be. So now I want to speak to you as Muvandimwe. That means as a brother, as an elder brother to me. Mwami Frank, what was statement says zimu nga ziyinza okwincitinga ekiri beyond control. Gwe bw'onyiigaaganaamuko n'abantu abamu, stop thinking that gwe entalo zo ojja kuzirizolvinganga ng'ogasseemu others. Fight as you. Fight as you. Don't involve others. That incitement you made. Mwami Frank, abakubanga mwana wa ghetto ye yakozeseza statements ze wakozeseza. Singa aliruddawa. Now they are looking at you, being so sarcastic and funny. Who advises you as your lawyers? Njagala kumanya ba lawyers baba ku advising. It seems bakutya. They don't tell you the fact. Oba they are waiting for you to land mu bizibu eby'amaanyi bajubilating toyina legal advising tuufu. I would want to extend that as a lawyer to you free of charge. You say the Constitution. Which article? Which clause? Mpa paragraph eyo. Feje tutasomye nga gwagisomye n'oginterpreting okutusinga. Mwami Frank, you barely ku Banyarwanda abali eyo bali bennyini Abanyarwanda aboogerera ddala vaku bana abegasseemu Oluganda, some bit of English, some I don't know, I just say a little. You can barely sit with a Munyarwanda n'onyumya naye for a full hour nga gw'oyogera Lunyarwanda. I'm very sure. I'm very sure because people who come close to you, they tell us the fact of who you are. Which is okay. It's not a crime. It does not take away that you are that. Frank, ruwago ki? Abanyarwanda ko bataraba abasiru bakyuko. Ko bavuga bike. Ko batiyandalika bakyuko. You want to connect us to M23. You are incriminating us. You and who? You will bring M23. You and who? Yebo ogamba M23 boba jimanyi. To Ugandans, Abanyarwanda tebali part of the statement made by Mr. Frank Gashumba. They are not part. Kubabazadde baffe tuli nabo. They are not aware of even what you are meaning. Name 23 bawulira nabiwulire. They are peaceful people. Aba living their simple life. They are few bana abazze mu Kampala abefudde ab'olugezigezi. Abefudde abategeere ennyo okusinga abaasookawo. Be bali violent, be bali arrogant. Others are silent. Bantu bataagala ntalo. So that incitement eyinza okuleetera okuttisa abaana baffe. Maybe for you alaka ababo bajja kubuuka bafulume ebweru. abalala balugwemu nga they are not aware. Bakyalwana n'okusosolebwa, being discriminated, being judged over actions ze batayinaako enne, ze batamanyi nako. Olinaga abo be bakola bino naye nga abamu even tebamanyi na bigenda mu maaso baba nti kimu president oye president oye president oye, because for them sabeerira ne benywera ne beebaka. A few of us, by the way, the problem is with us who are educated. And it's not a problem. It's because we are not ignorant. It's because we know each and everything, how it's going. We know our rights. And we can stand to defend it. Others, percentage 80%. Tebabiri namu. Enteze ziri bulungi, alidde, anywedde. Ebyensi ebyo ebyokwejjera byane tebabiri namu. Then someone stands, speaks in general. Nga akozesa hatred. Statement says emye package tategereka nga takimanyi is incriminating himself. Incriminate yourself alone. Don't involve us. If they cannot advise you that that is an incitement which incriminates you, right now they may laugh at you, they may be smiling at you, but those same statements, they are the one which will bury you. I don't know whether you care about your children, the young ones which you've just bared recently. I don't know what you're living for them. That incitement which will take the lives of our children. Fete discrimination. You spoke tewafuddeyo nti ne baganda baffe oba baganda baffe abamu bali mu bufumbo, bafumbirwa tribes ki, bafumbirwa ki, bali ne baani be basula nabo. Because for you, onyize oba you want to you use us tulinga bets z'okozesa okanga gundi bakuwe kyoyagala to fulfill for you what you want. Kasita gwe bamala ofuna kyoyagala, done deal. Tofuddeyo what we will face. Then we become a target. Your one statement can stay in ears of people for a period of 10 years. Nga we are suffering for it, yet we did not have a take in it. I do respect you. You were on an event. Sikusuubira nti onywa to the extent of not knowing what you are going to say. I respect you. If not as a brother, as an in-law, kubanga n'omukyala gw'oyina ubwoko bwe nibwo bwoko bwange. Please think. Constitution togimanyi kusinga abaatula ne babisoma. You did not draft that constitution. You have just come back from Rwanda. What image are you trying to shed? What are you painting? Are you trying to say that the other president of the other country is the one who sent you? Are those the conversations you had? Why are you involving the man? Is he aware of it? Unless you are telling me he's aware of it. But if not, you are involving him in things he's not aware because of your excitement, or maybe you want to show that you can talk. My dear, people can talk, but let's sometimes think before we utter out any word. Let's think. The impact, the gravity of words we utter out. That is too much. That was so. That is too much. I don't hate you because you're it will not go away. We are the same. But please mind about statements which involves others. When you are speaking them on behalf of you, say I'm speaking, you know, this thing I will do it. Don't say we. Who sent you?
gwe tusinga okuyita ye Babbi Kyagulanyi.
Of course nebba.
Babbi muwala waffe.
Yeah.
Era oli bw'agamba nti Abanyarwanda muti alina okusooka kulole ye Babbi Kyagulanyi. Amudirira omumanyi mukyala wa Nubia Niri. Yajja kugendera ku tukutuku. Ssenyonyi. Ontegeera nti tewali maka mu Buganda muno mwe tutali Abanyarwanda tulinganga munnyu. Teri nva ziribwa nga temuli muki. Njagala mutune family zonna sijja zimentioninga kuba muzimanyi. Ffe tufumba. Atayina Munyarwanda waka. Mukyala wo owokubiri abeera muki. Mwe muba testingako muwulire.
N'abatakalina bajjenga 3. Gowa. Tu okuvaayo fenna tukambuwale bwe tuti byava mu Mr. Kyagulanyi. Candidate yesimbyewo wa Nuupu. Yakeera ku machana yagamba nti nze kasita mpangula abavandimwe muti oba Abanyarwanda muti. Kalivera tusobola sirikene ensi yaffe bajjajjaffe bagikolerera. Ntidemu ensi eno bajjajjaffe bagikolerera tusobola kugireka genda bwetu. Ekyamufulumisa ekigambo ekyo nga ffe twamuwa omukyala katuwagirone yatuwa passport gwe twawa omukyala lumu olitegeera nti tuli b'amaanyi. Mukama abawo omukisa.